Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 20, Part A. Y is proportional to 1 over square root x. When x equals 9, y equals 2. Find the value of y when x equals 36. As y is proportional to 1 over square root x, we can write y equals k over square root x, where k is the constant of proportionality. We are given that when x equals 9, y equals 2. Substituting these values into the formula, 2 equals k over square root 9. As square root 9 equals 3, 2 equals k over 3. Multiplying both sides by 3, k equals 6. Now substituting the value of k into the formula, y equals 6 over square root x. We are asked to find the value of y when x equals 36. So, y equals 6 over square root 36. As square root 36 equals 6, y equals 6 over 6. Therefore, y equals 1. Hence, the value of y when x equals 36 is 1, which is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.